The Honor Win promises serious power and long-lasting battery life. But does it actually live up to that bold claim? The brand has officially introduced its new gaming-focused Win series. If we're being honest, this is basically the GT lineup refreshed with a brand new identity. The name Win is actually pretty smart. It literally stands for winning. So the real question is, what exactly makes this phone a win-win? Today, let's break everything down step by step and take a closer look. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. First, let's talk about the design and those interesting color names. Each variant comes with a creative title like Sound Activating, Guaranteed Win, Quick Gameplay, and Fearless of Blue. The unit we're checking out is the Quick Gameplay version, and this is the Pro model of the Honor Win. Just to clarify, the standard version is called the Honor Win RT, while this one is the higher-end Pro variant. Now visually, this phone definitely grabs attention. It features a large 6.83-inch display paired with a four-sided wraparound frame design. The bezels are crafted very precisely, giving the front a nearly flat-edged look while still keeping it comfortable to hold in hand. On the back, you'll notice the Storm Eye Deco Matrix camera module, which runs horizontally and adds to the gaming vibe. Taking a closer look at the internal cooling system, Honor has positioned its Dongfeng turbine cooling fan in a way that allows direct measurement of the chipset's temperature. This smart placement helps improve heat dissipation efficiency. Down at the lower right corner, there's a bold red Win logo, and the overall red and black theme gives off a strong esports and high-tech personality. Moving on to performance, and this is where things get really interesting. To truly show what this device can do, we ran multiple games under identical testing conditions. The results were impressive across the board. Frame rates consistently performed above expectations, even during intense gameplay moments. In Honor of Kings, the experience was extremely smooth. Even after extended sessions, the frame rate stayed stable. Teamfights felt fluid, skill activations responded instantly, and there was no noticeable lag. What's more impressive is that the phone's temperature remained under control. When testing Genshin Impact at 60 Hz, the phone achieved 120 FPS. Even in a demanding title like Legend of Mir, power consumption stayed at just 2.76 kilowatts, which is quite efficient for this level of performance. Then comes the flying rocket test, where we push things further at 185 Hz. Yes, this device supports an industry-leading 185 Hz ultra-high power lens. During this test, frame rates held steady at 185 FPS with almost zero fluctuation, even peaking at 186 Hz. Gunplay felt responsive and precise. Temperature only increased slightly, reaching 7.6 degrees Celsius, but overall stability remained excellent. Beyond that, it handles high frame rate games like Rhythm Master, Subway Surfers, and Firewheel World effortlessly, achieving improvements in both image quality and frame rate. That kind of consistency doesn't happen by accident. It's backed by serious hardware. Under the hood, the Honor Win comes equipped with the latest Honor Phantom Engine 3.0, along with a Qualcomm independent shared processor powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5. AI-driven prediction technology helps optimize frame rendering and maintain stability, resulting in a smoother and more reliable gaming experience. On top of that, the phone uses the industry's smallest and fastest 3D stereo fan system, which significantly boosts cooling performance. All of these elements work together to deliver the powerful, stable gaming experience that the Honor Win is clearly aiming for. During our gaming tests, the cooling fan was already spinning, and yes, you can actually hear it doing its job. That active cooling plays a big role in keeping temperatures down, while also helping games launch faster and run smoother overall. Let's take Genshin Impact and Zone Zero as examples to show startup speed. On the Honor Win, Genshin Impact loads in about 60 to 90 seconds, and Zone Zero falls right in that same 60 to 90 second range. The improvement is pretty noticeable. Everything feels much quicker getting into the game. And here's something interesting. Before, I used to hear a faint whisper-like sound in the background music when Genshin Impact started. With this phone, that issue is completely gone. When it comes to gaming performance, the best way to describe it is simply powerful. From gameplay smoothness to raw performance and heat management, everything feels well optimized. Honestly, I'm already excited to see how the next generation of this lineup evolves. Now let's move on to battery life, which is a huge highlight. In the past, whenever people tested phone batteries, it felt like endurance was getting worse, and many joked about whether phones would ever reach 5-digit capacity. Well, here we are. This device packs a massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery. That number alone is impressive, and in real life, it's more than enough for everyday use. On top of that, you get 100-watt wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging, and even 27 watts wired reverse charging, giving you plenty of flexible charging options. Next up, other features like the display are equally impressive. You're looking at a 6.83-inch flat screen with a peak brightness of 6,000 nits and a minimum global brightness of just 1 nit. It also includes an AI ultra-fast engine, advanced color tuning 2.0, and an industry-leading 3,500 Hz touch sampling rate, which all come together for super smooth interaction and crystal clear visuals. Eye comfort has also been upgraded. This is the first phone to introduce 5920 Hz PEBM dimming with narrow beam width, helping reduce eye strain in low light environments. There's even a new 3D motion sickness relief feature, which you can turn on in the accessibility settings. When playing games like Peacekeeper Elite, you'll notice 2 small white dots on each side of the screen. These help reduce 3D motion discomfort during gameplay. Now let's be real, the camera setup isn't meant to compete with flagship photography phones, but it's still solid for a gaming device. You get 3 50-megapixel cameras and 1 12-megapixel sensor. The 50-megapixel trio includes a portrait lens, a micro lens for both portraits and landscapes, and a telephoto portrait lens. There's also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and together, they're more than capable for everyday photos. Audio is another strong point. The phone comes with flagship-grade 1216 stereo speakers, a built-in subwoofer, and dual heatsinks. There's even a special footstep enhancement feature, which makes it easier to detect enemies while gaming, a nice touch for competitive players. As for pricing, the base version of the Honor Win starts in China at 3,999 yuan, which roughly converts to about 424 pounds in the UK and around $572 in the US. So to wrap everything up, this phone is genuinely impressive. It brings major upgrades over previous models, especially in gaming performance, which is truly outstanding. Beyond gaming, it also delivers in other areas with a huge 10,000 mAh battery, an excellent display, upgraded eye protection, and powerful audio. So, what do you think about this phone? If you enjoy in-depth tech content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.